Generally, what we eat affects our lives. For that matter, we must be careful what goes into our systems. Hassy Frutta Ventures cares for what goes into your system. Hassy Frutta is a juice hub, and it was started as an alternative against unhealthy juices in the market. Hassia Ahmed, who happens to be the CEO of Hassy Frutta, is a medical laboratory scientist, and she's in a better position to understand what goes into our system, affect our lives and health.
Assalamu alaikum and good evening to everyone here. My name is Hassia Ahmed, and I welcome you all to our 3 years anniversary and a new product launch. We thank you all for the support you've given us all these years that we are in business. We are growing and we are giving you a better option and reason why you should choose Hassy Frutta Ventures. Hassy Frutta Ventures has trained a lot of ladies and men in the food industry. We've trained people in juice making, ice cream making, mocktail making, salad making, and a whole lot in the food industry. Hassy Frutta is 3 years today, and we are celebrating it because of you, the kind of support you people have given us. And when we called upon you today, you hurriedly came to support us. We want to say a very big thank you for all the support you've given us throughout these years, and we want you to keep supporting us. We are never going to disappoint you. We are going to be amazing, and we thank you all for coming.
Nafisa has this to say about the Hassy Frutta.
Hello, I'm Nafisa. I had a class with Hassy Frutta some months back, and it was really fun. It was interesting. It was educative. I learned a lot from her, and then I support her brand. And I would recommend her to anyone because she is the best.
Sheikh Muhammad Sharif, the Imam of Finland, has also this to say.
Assalamu alaikum, peace be unto you, ladies and gentlemen. I am Sheikh Muhammad Sharif, the Imam of Masjid al-Iman in Helsinki, Finland. I have tasted Hassy Frutta in Ghana. I have seen how the business grew and I support it. Why not give it a try and you will love it. Peace be unto you. Wassalam.
Hassy Frutta runs as Hassy Frutta and more on social media platforms. Hassy Frutta offers food services for all events. We serve local juices, cold processed food juices, yogurt, ice cream, cocktail, mocktails, finger food, small chops, among others.